how does Corona affect the situation of refugees or migrants in your country, in my country? Yes, it does affect it. Ethiopia has more than 700,000 refugees from mainly from Eritrea, from Somalia, from South Sudan. Again, now recently we from Yemen and Syria also. Especially in the place where I live, in Tigray, in Tigray region, north part of Ethiopia, we do have lots of Eritrean migrants or refugees, either at the refugee camp or just outside in the cities or small towns as well. There is actually a recent news how the Eritrean refugees are currently suffering as the Ethiopian government decided to close one of the refugee camps, which has about 25,000 people inside this refugee camp. So they said it's due to the coronavirus or this pandemic disease, COVID-19. But I don't think that they have another option, because also their solution, they said that they have to join to the other camp, which doesn't make sense. When they join to the other camp, they will be double in number, and which is even getting worse. So there is some issues which is not clear in between the federal government and UNHCR. So we will see, but these refugees, about 25,000 people, they are still worried, and they are still at the same camp, at the same refugee camp, but they don't know what will happen. But Ethiopian government already decided that they should leave this refugee camp and to join to the other camp. And just yesterday, there is one case which is recorded. A young lady who is 17 years old from Eritrea, from the refugee. They just find out that she is also infected by coronavirus or COVID-19. So there are lots of suspected people who already quarantined, and then they will be checked in the next 2 weeks, as she already met and just contacted many people. And then in her story, she also went to a big monastery where thousands of people went just for pilgrimage. So she might be contacted lots of people again. So this is a bit worrying. And from day to day, it's also increasing in Ethiopia. Almost, I would say 25% every day. It's also increasing now. Yeah. It's just really the opposite with Europe. When in Europe it's going down, in Africa it's growing again. It's just now.